Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today I'm going to unbox this is the LCD screen and digitizer for the Apple iPhone 6 Plus. So let's go ahead and get this started. Wow. So as you can see, the screen is all cracked and has a couple of the black dots, and it is flickering with all these lines. So hopefully it's just a bad LCD. Hopefully the board is not damaged. As you can see, the customer has dropped this phone pretty bad. As you can see, it's chip up. Look at that. Now that's called static. Even though the customer has this silicone case, and then I guess it got dropped face down. Hopefully all the camera is still working. Let's go ahead and unbox this new screen. Hopefully he give me the right model number, because there's a 6 Plus and 6S Plus. A whole bunch of popcorn. And my invoice. So we can move this out of the way. When you get this brand new LCD, you want to go ahead and first check it for any crack. And before you peel this pink or the red plastic out, you want to make sure you test it out before you do that, because normally the seller does not take return when you peel this off. So just be careful. So this is my unboxing for this Apple iPhone LCDs for the 6 Plus. Hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification. You'll drop me in the comments on below. And I will doing a tutorial on how to repair this. Alright, thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.